We're gonna do some harvesting today. These cucumbers are pretty big already. And they're prickly. I don't want to touch it. Cut. Oh, see, I'm in flower. Now we're gonna harvest some okra. These are pretty big already. I got lazy yesterday. Boink. Lumipad. Ready? Okay, go. Ay. Okay, we're gonna aray ko. Oh. Isa pa. Alright. That's it for my first cucumber. Pretty. Mga baby na yun. Lalaki pa yan. That's it. That's it. Yeah, that's it for that. My baby. Ito lang. Aray ko po kayong malaki. Baby. We're just gonna transform the baby ones. Just babies. More babies. These two. Harvest na kasi tayo dito eh. I think that's it. I think, yeah. We have one. So this is the place where I already harvest too. I guess once you harvest it, well, that other one produces more potato, but small ones. Oh shit! I broke it. Ayun pa. How did you end up over there? I wonder, do you have any more on this side? I guess no, that's it. Well, there's two at least. Someone's hiding from me yesterday. I was already harvesting cucumber, but we have a big one over there. And then, not just that, there's plenty that I didn't know. Oh, look at that. They're everywhere. Look at that. Ta-da! Ta-da! And there's another one here. Ta-da! And then till there, and then there's one over there hiding. There's more over there for sure, hiding somewhere. I have to trim it so that I can see the fruit. Baboosh. June 13, 2020. I guess it's Friday the 13th. Wow. Anyway, today's harvest, my cucumber melon. They're so cute. And they taste really good too. So I will plant this again next time. I'll probably save the seeds on this one since it's ripe. And tomato. Tomato. The old tomato are almost done, so but I have a new one also that's growing, so it's not so bad.